1 light year equals to how many meters? This term is related to astrophysics, and it is astronomical unit. It is the distance between two astronomical objects. Light year is nothing but total distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 Julian year. So 1 Julian year equals to 365.25 days. So approximately, for our calculation, I am going to take 365 days. Actually it is 365.25 days, but for our calculation I am going to take 365 days. So 1 light year equals to distance traveled by light in 1 year. So this is equals to 365 days, and 365 days and every day equals to 24 hours. So multiply by 24, and every hour equals to 60 minutes, and every minute equals to 60 seconds. And we already know that speed of light is equals to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second in vacuum. So 1 year equals to 365 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60, these many seconds. Now 1 light year equals to speed of light in 1 second, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 multiplied by number of seconds in 1 year, that is 365 multiplied by 24, 60 into 60. If you multiply all these figures, and then we get 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meters. So 1 light year equals to 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meters. Now one challenging question for you. The question is, if the distance between the moon and the earth is 4.26 into 10 raised to minus 8 light years, then find its distance from earth in terms of kilometers. Please do calculation and write down your answer in comment box. Meet you with next topic, next video. Till then, wish you good luck. All the best.